guess first 8 days we have the basic things. Yeah, you have taught us about the motors or servo motors and any stuff like that, and it was very useful. And after that, you have already sent us some videos, which was like 1 hour about Arduino and programming and application. And we have saved it, and maybe for our future reference and all, we can use that. And other than that, the project work was very interesting, and we get lot of stuff to learn. And that process, we got a guidance also from you, and you'll be doing a programming part also in the future. So I guess it was very useful. The first, I guess I saw the 3 videos, then I just skipped many things, and I was like badly seeing all the application form and all. And during the project and all, we were 3 totally, so we divided our work and we completed. And after some time, like 2 days, between 2 days or 3 days, we had a Google Meet together, and we just discussed what we did and what are the updates right now. Is there any issues we are getting while choosing or deciding anything and all. I really want to do a project because it's our seventh semester right now. So we have to do a project. I don't know what to do, when to do, how to do, with whom to do and all. So there are a lot of questions right now. I don't know what. Right now I'm totally confused. Like right now we had our reopen, like our seventh semester started and all, and there's a lot of subject and all, and again we have to do a project. There's a lot of stuff going into my mind. I don't know what to do.